Hey, it's Dr. Trish Leigh. Let's talk about full potential goal setting as part of my neuro training program. Most people don't even know how to think about their goals, never mind set them, never mind attempt to achieve them, and definitely never mind actually achieving them. I am going to teach you how to do all of those things. If I showed you the journals that I use across my lifetime to set my goals, set smaller action steps that are actually attainable on a daily or hourly basis, so I am always moving forward towards reaching my goal. I know what you're thinking. If I'm always moving forward towards reaching my goal, then why am I still moving forward towards reaching goals? You're right. Hopefully this becomes something you never want to stop doing, because once you reach some lower level baseline goals, then you'll see the sky is the limit. You can do anything that you want using this formula. So hopefully we'll be able to keep going together, or I will have at least gotten the ball in motion so that you can do this by yourself. I'm going to show you how to set those goals, how to reach them, so we can reach your full potential together so you can rock out your best life. Thanks.